Kazhymukan Murid is located in the southeastern part of Nur-Sultan city in Almaty district. The street runs from Tawil-Siddiq Avenue to Makjan Jumabayev Avenue, crossing Alexey Petrov, Kanish Satpayev, Zhanaydar Zhirintayev streets. Street length is 1,628 meters. Kazhymukan Munaytpasov is famous Kazakh wrestler, master of classical wrestling. Kazhymukan has performed at numerous world arenas, won 48 medals. In 1937, he won the major championship in Orenburg and was awarded the title of Batyr of Kazakh Steppe. The street is home for the Square of Fatherland Defenders. The square has a 24-meter monument, Otan Anna, in the form of a mother's figure holding a symbolic bowl. Kazhymukan Munaytpasov Street also hosts Kazakhstan Sports Complex, the first home arena of Boris Hockey Club, with its capacity exceeding 5,000 spectators. Lev Gumilov Eurasian National University monuments of Chernobyl disaster victims are also located on Munaytpasov Street.